Provision ISR's standard VMS is the perfect starting point for smaller surveillance setups. Free to download for both PC and Mac, it offers a standalone architecture where all settings are stored locally on a single computer, ideal for teams managing one location. With support up to 256 channels, it's designed for users with a limited number of devices and clients, providing a simple, reliable, and cost-effective solution without the need for a complex server setup. The Enterprise VMS is built for large-scale, multi-location surveillance projects. Its server-client architecture allows multiple dedicated servers to manage recording and device control, while clients and mobile apps provide flexible, remote access from anywhere. Scalable from hundreds to up to 10,000 channels, it supports multiple users, centralized profiles, and advanced management features, making it ideal for campuses, retail chains, industrial sites, or any deployment requiring robust, professional-grade surveillance. Provision ISR provides a complete range of enterprise-grade hardware, all Linux-based, fully NDAA compliant, and secured with embedded checkpoint cybersecurity. Our portfolio includes management servers, client servers, storage servers, TV wall decoders, and expansion servers, allowing you to easily scale and customize your surveillance solution to meet growing or complex project requirements. Now let's take a look at some of the features in action, starting with Live View. You can drag and drop cameras from any area within your VMS so you can monitor multiple locations simultaneously. If the default layouts don't quite fit your needs, you can create your own custom layout using the canvas, merging windows together exactly how you want them. Once saved, you can easily add cameras to populate your viewing windows. This gives operators the flexibility to build a viewing environment that matches their workflow, making daily monitoring faster, clearer, and more efficient. We also have Smart Snapshots, providing live object recognition, as well as real-time face and plate recognition comparisons directly on the interface. Device settings are also easy to access from Live View. Inside, you can configure the on-screen display, image settings, and analytics, including drawing rules, sensitivity adjustments, and object detection targets, to name a few. This allows installers and operators to fine-tune performance in real time, reducing setup time and ensuring each camera is optimized for its specific environment. Channels can be grouped together and set to automatically switch at intervals in a specific viewing window. At any time, you can switch to full screen mode to enhance the viewing experience. This ensures operators never miss important activity and allows for more efficient monitoring of multiple areas simultaneously. Beyond switching individual channels or groups, you can even switch between entire groups at intervals of your choice. This gives operators a comprehensive, automated view of all critical areas, improving efficiency and situational awareness. In Live View, you can broadcast audio to any device with audio capabilities. Simply select the device or a group of devices and start the audio broadcast. This allows operators to communicate instantly across multiple locations, enhancing response times and overall security management. Similarly, you can activate alarm outputs on any device connected to the VMS that has alarm output capabilities. This gives operators the ability to respond immediately to events, combining visual, audio, and alarm control in a single, efficient interface. For monitoring alarms, the client software can pop up selected event types from specific cameras directly into an alarm view window. You can configure the number of alarm viewing windows and set how long each alarm stays open before automatically closing. In this example, when sterile area events occur across multiple cameras on a single site, you'll see that as a person moves around the property, the feed from each camera pops up in real time on the appropriate viewing windows as soon as they are recognized.
Alarm view monitoring allows operators to focus on and respond only to the events that matter, ensuring critical incidents are addressed quickly while reducing unnecessary distractions.
Now let's turn our focus to EMAP monitoring. You can create layered maps using a combination of Google Maps and floor plans, allowing you to build multiple maps within the VMS. This enables geographical monitoring of alarms in real time. When an alarm is triggered, it's indicated directly on the map, and you can immediately view the associated camera feed on the right-hand side. If multiple alarms come through, the system will automatically display the next alarm in the queue whenever you close a view. You can also filter which alarm types appear on the EMAP and ignore everything else. For example, you might choose to only pop up face-matching events. This streamlined, real-time visualization empowers operators to make faster, more informed decisions during critical events. Beyond real-time monitoring, by leveraging face recognition results, the EMAP provides post-event insights, giving you a visual and geographical understanding of a person's movements. You can trace their path using traceline playback or track events with track playback, providing a quick overview of all events and showing exactly where they occurred on the map. By visualizing movements and events on the map, operators gain a complete understanding of what happened, improving overall situational awareness. The VMS also offers powerful occupancy control capabilities by aggregating multiple cameras using object counting analytics. You can monitor the flow of people entering and exiting an establishment, set occupancy limits, and receive visual alerts whenever those limits are exceeded. The system also allows you to configure multiple triggers directly within the VMS, making it easy to adapt to different spaces and operational requirements. Separately, by leveraging object counting analytics, you can run real-time statistics that automatically refresh at intervals of your choice. You can also make comparisons against previous periods, customize the lengths of multiple graphs, and view your data in clear, visually appealing charts. The system provides refined insights, showing exactly who has entered and exited each location, along with proportional information. On top of that, you can generate historical object counting reports, beautifully presented within the VMS with intuitive graphs, and easily export the data to Excel for further analysis or sharing. This capability gives operators not just numbers, but actionable insights, helping businesses make informed decisions about traffic flow, staffing, and space utilization. The TV wall is an indispensable tool for any control room or environment where multiple cameras need to be monitored across multiple screens. It works seamlessly with our video decoder hardware, allowing you to manage and create custom viewing layouts across up to 4 monitors per decoder, directly within the VMS software. Once your layouts are created, you can decide which cameras to display from any area within the system. Because the TV wall is canvas-based, these canvases can be easily moved around to fine-tune your viewing environment to match your workflow. You can even stretch a canvas across multiple screens for maximum flexibility. The decoders are stackable, making it easy to expand the number of display monitors and viewing cameras as your system grows.
Let's turn our attention to alarm views. You can set any window to be an alarm view and assign specific alarm types to pop up on the TV wall when they occur. This is perfect for control rooms that want to use black screen monitoring, a smart way to manage video walls. Instead of showing all cameras all the time, the screens stay blank until an alarm event occurs. This keeps operators from being distracted by inactive feeds and allows them to respond quickly to important events, making monitoring far more efficient and effective. You can also play back footage on selected viewing windows of the TV wall. This becomes especially efficient when paired with our keyboard joystick controller, giving operators precise control and quick access to past events without interrupting live monitoring. You can create multiple viewing plans and have them automatically switch at intervals of your choosing. With automated switching, Operators can oversee more cameras efficiently, maximizing productivity without increasing staff. In addition to switching between entire viewing plans, you can group a set of cameras to automatically cycle within a single viewing window. This allows operators to monitor multiple critical cameras in one location without manually changing feeds. Imagine you're an operator in a control room, and an active alarm comes through in real time, popping up in an alarm view. If there are too many unprocessed alarms at once, it can quickly become overwhelming. That's why we have something called an SOP filter. An SOP is a set of actions you can assign to a specific camera and alarm type. So when that alarm occurs, it automatically pops up with a clear set of instructions for the operator. This helps your controller focus only on the events that matter. When an event occurs, the operator can review the footage using playback and then start processing the alarm. As they follow the SOP steps, each action is timestamped and watermarked with the user's credentials, showing exactly who handled the alarm. The operator can also assign a disposition, such as noting a true alarm and adding remarks about the activity. Once the alarm is fully processed, it can no longer be edited, ensuring accountability and a clear record of how the event was handled.
See, communicate, and control access directly from the client software using our intercom and doorbell. Operators can quickly respond to access requests and incidents, maintaining tight control over all entry points.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I am coming to visit Ari. Please open the door.
Sure, come in.
Thank you.
Do you have multiple users with different levels of access? Within the VMS, you can create custom roles and assign specific menu and operational permissions. You can also define area permissions, such as which cameras a role can access for live view, playback, channel settings, record settings, and much more. This allows you to tailor the system to each operator's responsibilities, ensuring they see and control only what's relevant to their role. Once a role is set up, you can create a new user and assign them to that role, or any existing role in the VMS. For added security, you can also set access schedules, controlling exactly when a user can log in and use the system. This ensures no unauthorized access to the VMS outside of working hours. Everything I've shown you today, and more, can be accessed on the custom-built data dashboard, which presents multiple models and key statistics clearly on a single monitor in full screen mode. The dashboard is interactive, allowing you to operate each module directly, just as you would in the VMS. It provides valuable real-time insights, such as parking space availability, device statuses, and other critical information, all in one place for quick and informed decision-making.
Let's wrap up by looking at some noteworthy features, starting with Management Mode. Management Mode is designed for users who need to focus on managing devices rather than monitoring them. It allows you to manage device settings and centrally maintain face and LPR databases for up to 10,000 devices, all without the need for complex setups.
Next noteworthy feature is alarm linkage. With alarm linkage, you can automate multiple responses to alarm events, such as video pop-ups, triggering alarm outputs, activating custom audio messages, sending email notifications, or moving PTZ cameras to pre-configured presets, to name a few. Alarm linkage is a critical component of effective monitoring, ensuring event responses are consistent, efficient, and easy to manage, especially in complex systems.